Hey y'all, I'm Sharp the Shopper Godmother. Let's get right into it. Looking at Publix BOGOS for this week. I always start in the cheese department. If it's one thing I know about you guys, is y'all love your cheese. And this week we have several. Cheese BOGOS this week at Publix include the Boursin, where you can save $6.99. Also the Belgioioso and the Sartori that I showed you previously. Storage containers are always my favorite BOGO because you can save so much and you can use these for so many different things. They're right on time for the new year too. If you're looking for items to pair with the cheese BOGOs that I showed you, you should grab some of these Joseph's pitas. You can save $3.79 on this Publix BOGO this week. Add this to your pita to give it a kick. Save $7.49 on the Mr. Bing chili crisps. And I don't know if you're like me, but I gotta have my meat. There's plenty to choose from with the prime fresh deli meat. Save $5.99 this week on this Publix BOGO. And if you want that pita really spicy, grab this Frank's Red Hot. Save $4.69. To make your meal prep easier, grab one of these Prairie Fresh pork tenderloins and put it in the crock pot. Save $9.99. If you're a gym girly that lives or a gym bro, blend pancakes are perfect and they're protein packed. Save up to $7.49. Birch Benders has this keto syrup. If you're living the keto lifestyle, you can save up to $7.39 on this Publix BOGO. Continuing the trend of healthy foods that'll get you ready for the next year, you can save $5.69 on the Kashi cereal. These Chex cereal are also Publix BOGOs this week. You can save more than $4. And it's a good week to use your WIC benefits if you're picking up these checks. Golden Grams and all these varieties of Cheerios are other options as well. For General Mills cereal that are Publix BOGOs this week, you can save more than $6. If you're looking to pick up your favorite Kellogg's brand cereal, we've got Frosted Flakes, Raisin Bran, Honey Smacks, and more to choose from. I haven't had Honey Smacks in a while. I think I'll pick up a box. I just gotta get it out of my system because next week I'm starting my healthy meal plan and I'll be enjoying these Special K red berries. Comment and let me know what's on your healthy meal plan for 2024. We have the Celestial Seasoning variety of tea that are Publix BOGOs this week. Save more than $9.99 and pick up all your favorites. If I have to drink water, it's gonna be spring water. And this Eternal Spring water tastes pretty good. You can save $7.49. If it were up to me, I'd just drink Dole pineapple juice every day. I love pineapples and I love pineapple juice. And Dole is my favorite. You can save up to $3.89 on the Dole juice. There's even a light version of the Dole juice if you're looking for something more subtle. Gotta make my New Year's punch. I'll be grabbing a big can of the Dole as well. I'm staying far away from these, but if you need these Nabisco Chips Ahoy cookies, you can save up to $3.99. Save $5.99 on these Keebler varieties. Grab some and make you a charcuterie board. You heard it here first. This Georgia weather can't seem to make up its mind, but perhaps we'll get some winter weather eventually. So grab these Campbell's Chunky Soup and add to your cart. A little chocolate never hurt no mommy. Grab these Hershey's Nuggets. Save more than $5 at Publix this week. If you're looking for stevia, the stevia in the raw is the Publix BOGO this week. You can save up to $12.99. Save $2.89 on Lindsay's Spanish olives. Snack Pack makes me sing the Dora song. Snack Pack, Snack Pack. I know it's backpack, but you can save $3.49 on this Publix BOGO. The new year is quickly approaching. Make sure to get your greens and your black-eyed peas. Y'all know the old Southern tradition. They're supposed to bring you luck in the new year. What are some of the craziest superstitions that you heard of or that you practice yourself? Leave me a comment. If you're getting the black-eyed peas and the greens, you definitely have options. These camellia beans are Publix BOGOs. You can save up to $3.19. Getting back into our health foods, the RX Bar protein bars are Publix BOGOs. Save $11.99. To my fellow 90s kids and millennials, I feel like they're trying to call out our age. Because why now do they have this zero sugar? They know what they're doing. Clearly Canada is 2 for $4 until December 29th. One of the craziest combos that's actually delicious are wavy Lay's and Neapolitan ice cream. Y'all need to give that a try. And this week is perfect, as the chips are buy one get one free at Publix. Maybe it is my age, because y'all don't be drinking these C4 or any energy drinks, but here they are, they're Publix BOGOs. Find the Top Fox pumpkin seeds down the aisle from the chips. Save $3.99 this week when you pick up this Publix BOGO. This is always a great deal whenever they have these minis Publix BOGOs. I'll save up to $8.49 and get my Dr. Pepper for my last little hoorah before I start my new weekly meal plan. We've pretty much adopted an outdoor cat. We named him Rayfield. I'm gonna see if he loves this. I'll save $10.99. I'm only gonna grab one though, because here in Georgia, we don't have to buy two. We can buy one and get it for half off. I'm a pretty new cat mom, or cat lady, whichever one you want to call me. I think cat lady is very fitting for me right now, y'all. So I don't know which one I'll grab. I think I'll get him one with the protein. He seems to love chicken. With the kids going back to school, you gotta love an awesome laundry BOGO. Pick up this Purex laundry detergent and save $8.29. Are you cooking for a New Year's celebration, or are you over it? Handy foil pans are 50% off at Publix. It's never a bad idea to stock up on these. They're great for meal prep. I'm going to prepare my roast veggies in these, so I'm adding to cart. Fage yogurt is 10 for 10. So you'll save $5 when you pick them up. There's plenty to choose from and so many things that you can do with yogurt, parfaits, or just eat it. Use those handy foil pans that I showed you earlier and get your favorite brand of meatballs for a quick appetizer for your New Year's celebration, or put them in your deep freezer. They're always great to have around. You can even make a delicious stir fry when you pick up these bird's eye vegetables. Even the frozen black-eyed peas are Publix BOGOs this week. These farm fresh appetizers help you to keep that New Year's celebration simple with easy to prepare appetizer choices. Get the Dr. Pepper and some vanilla Mayfield ice cream, and make some Dr. Pepper floats as well. If you're looking to treat yourself, make sure to get these Klondike ice creams and the M&M ice creams. Save $9.99 on the Klondike bars and $5.99 on the M&M's ice cream sandwiches. Make sure to not leave them out and let them melt like I did. For detoxing and cleansing, Publix has these So Good, So You probiotic shots. Save $11.99. This 4-pack of these probiotic shots is really convenient. Continuing on with our probiotic and health drinks, the Hum Organic Kombucha is a Publix BOGO. Save $2.99. Pick up your favorites or try something new. I love these soul tea drinks. I grab them whenever they're on sale, and today they are 3 for $10. Blue Spirulina Super Aid is my favorite. If you're Publix couponing this week, I've got a deal that's better than Walmart. The soft soap body wash is $4.99 at Publix. Download the Publix digital coupon and get it for $2.99. There are so many perks to joining Club Publix, so join if you haven't. Speaking of couponers, I know that the girlie said never buy toothpaste. You can always get it for free. Overcoming the anxiety of couponing at CVS and Walgreens is on my 2024 bucket list for sure. They probably feel the same way about toothbrushes, but you could save more than $8 on these Colgate toothbrushes at Publix. This is a great Publix BOGO. The Mucinex InstaSoothe medicated drops are Publix BOGOs. Save $3.99. We have another Publix BOGO for the fur babies. You can save up to $3.29 on these K9 Carryouts dog snacks. Or you can grab them in this tennis ball looking container and save $4.19 on this Publix BOGO.